Scientists once conducted an experiment to test the intelligence of a chimpanzee. They placed a hungry chimpanzee inside a cage and firmly fixed a long, narrow glass tube to the ground. At the very bottom of the tube was a peanut, which happened to be the chimpanzee's favorite food. The moment it saw the peanut, the chimpanzee immediately reached its hand into the tube. But the tube was so narrow that its fingers could not reach the bottom, tried hard to pull the tube out and shake it, but it did not move at all. Finally, the chimpanzee became completely frustrated and sat quietly in a corner. Even the scientists thought that it would never be able to get the peanut. But suddenly, the chimpanzee stood up. It walked over to the water tap in the corner of the cage and filled its mouth with water. Instead of drinking it, the chimpanzee quickly returned to the glass tube and spat all the water into it. Again and again, it filled its mouth with water and poured it into the tube. As the water level slowly rose, the peanut floated to the top. The chimpanzee calmly picked it up and ate it. In psychology, this is known as insight learning, the ability to solve a problem through understanding rather than trial and error. When you find yourself trapped in a difficult situation, and it feels like every path is closed, step outside your old way of thinking. Look at the resources around you from a new perspective, even the ones that seem useless. Start using things in a different way, and you may realize that the solution to changing the entire game was right beside you all along.